Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday Prep. This week we'll focus on daily habits for English progress. Learning English is not about doing everything at once, it's about small steps every day. Let's explore 3 powerful phrases that will guide your discipline and momentum. Phrase 1. Small steps every day. Meaning, progress comes from consistent tiny actions. Example, learning one new word daily adds up to 30 words a month. Mini challenge. Write down one small step you can take today. Just one. Say it out loud. Phrase 2. Habit builds discipline. Meaning, when you repeat an action, it becomes automatic. That's how discipline is formed. Example, if you review vocabulary every night before bed, it becomes part of your routine. Tip. Link your English habit to something you already do, like brushing your teeth or drinking coffee. Phrase 3. Morning practice sets the tone. Meaning, what you do in the morning affects your mindset for the rest of the day. Example, reading one English sentence in the morning can boost your confidence and focus. Activity. Tomorrow morning, read one short English paragraph and say one phrase aloud. Recap. Small steps create momentum. Habits build discipline. Morning practice sets your mindset. On Friday, we'll use these phrases in your own routine. You'll write, speak, and track your progress. Keep these ideas close.